Hi, my name is Jared Enns, and I am the PTEC coordinator at Manitoba Institute of Trades and Technology, PTEC's college partner. At M.I.T.T, this is where you will attend for grades 11 and 12 once you've chosen your preferred educational stream. So we have the software developer stream and the network security administration stream as the two streams that you have the choice. So after grade 10, you will join us at M.I.T.T to take your college level classes as part of your high school early college experience, which is the really cool thing about the PTEC program. So my job is to work with all of the people involved in PTEC, but from the M.I.T.T perspective. So I work with your instructors in both streams, I work with Ms. Backhart, the PTEC principal, and I work with you, the students, and your parents or guardians to make sure you're getting that early college, the EC and PTEC experience that you all signed up for. Some other folks that I work with are our industry partners, because at the end of the program, you have the option and the ability to go on an internship experience. And so if that's something that you end up going on, I also work closely with our industry partners so that you can graduate from PTEC from high school with work experience, some industry connections, and a full college diploma. M.I.T.T is super excited to be a partner with PTEC, and we look forward to welcoming you.